me start at the beginning.
Okay, I live 2 minutes away. I can walk over whenever I want to.
She just didn't want to.
Yeah, she doesn't want to hang out with us.
I was reading, okay? Actually, no. Book about serial killer. Actually, no. Book about serial killer.
But the reason why you're going for the walk down the street is because that hot boy is down there. Your hidden agenda is...
Oh, I agree.
I got something to say about that.
I volunteer's tribute.
Right?
I volunteer's tribute. Family friend.
Oh, I'm like, which one of you is Jackie? It's difficult. Jackie. Thank you. Let's get this over with.
Action. 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 Action.
Or not.
Action.
Line. Oh, wait, what's that line? I forgot my line. Come on! Pretty sure that wasn't your line. Is this the house it happened in?
Yeah, this looks like the place. Come on. You gotta say it louder.
Shut up, Chloe! Is this a... Alright, you left.
Action.
Can we turn on the music?
Yeah, you guys can turn on the music. Country.
Leave it on this
This country. Sweet.
Are you filming this?
Yeah. Action. Riley, get.
Guys, come on, I'm serious.
He took the thing off and tased me 3 times. Yeah. On for like a second, that little cheapskate.
Oh my god. Filming is going so fantastic today.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I feel like
24
I'm on
hours.
stone.
Don't. No, I said count to 5. Sorry. All right, count to 5 now. Action. Action.
Oh! I'm kidding, yes.
Action. Action.
Oh, wait.
We're not pressing stop.
She was like, actually, like, why is nobody moving? Shut up!
Ready, set, action.
Okay, this way.
Oh my god! Get out! Get out!
Rem! Oh my god!
Oh my god. Action. Ready? Action. 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 Action.
Hey, Nikki, you're creeping me out.
I'm starting.
Sorry.
I don't care.
What did you Okay.
We're having a conversation, right?
Right?
Yeah, but Nikki, you're creeping me out is not a nice conversation.
Oh, the door again.
Crap. Action. Action.
Okay?
But the
Pretty sure that wasn't your line.
this is gonna be your room.
Action.
So how many bedrooms? Tell me! I demand an answer! How many bathrooms? I don't want this house! Last time.
If there was any.
Sounds better from a girl. A guy would be like, yo, I can protect my girlfriend. Yo, I can protect my girlfriend.
I can't afford a woman like that! Somebody's gotta die! He's acting in class! Hey Dom, go die!
Living just a fun emotion, hiding somewhere in the night.
Action. 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 Action.
I'm sorry. Just
Action. Yes. Action. 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 Action.
Wait, crap, what's your name? Lord, oh my god!
What did you
You don't get to eat!
terrible smirk.
That's
Action. Action. Action.
Guys, come on, I'm serious.
Hey Dom, go die.
Action.
Action. Action. Action. Action. Action. Action.
Is everything okay in there? Oh yeah, Laura
we're
was just
fine.
saying how much she wanted this to be her room.
Be a room. For your room.